What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can convert an HEVC video file to an MP4 format. Now recently I tried to edit a video from my GoPro, but I didn't know that the GoPro recording was in the HEVC format. So I couldn't edit it on my usual editing software, and I also couldn't play it on Windows. So I needed to convert it into a MP4 file, and this is how you do it. So first you would need to install the VLC media player, this one right here. It's completely free. You can just Google VLC media player and just download it from there. Now once you download your VLC media player, you would need to open it. So once you open your VLC media player, you would need to go in the upper left corner and click on media. Right here. Now on the media tab you would need to select convert/save option right here. Then this little window will load, and on this window you need to add the file right here that you want to convert to an MP4 file. So just go ahead and click add right here. And this is the file that I want to convert, so this is my GoPro recording. And I will select it and just click open right here. Now as you can see, that file is now uploaded to the VLC media player, and from here you need to click on convert/save. Then a new window will open, so here just make sure that you're on the convert option right here and select the MP4 on this little drop down menu right here. So I will select this one, the first option for me right here. And then you need to select a destination file, so just click browse. And I will just select my desktop per usual and just click save. Now you have your source file, the conversion profile and the destination place of that file. Now all you need to do is just click start right here. So because I already converted this file, I can overwrite it or just keep the existing file, but for you it will start converting right away. Now this long bar on the bottom of the screen will be the conversion timeline. So for me, because my PC is not all that good, it took about 10 minutes for the 1 minute file to convert to MP4. But depending on your PC specs, so mostly your processor, this can vary. So that's guys how you can convert an HEVC file to an MP4 file. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.